Mama di mama.
No.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Look at you.
I'm just coming back from the Akara joint.
Ah.
Yes, so Naimana, if you stay at home, how would you survive? You need to work.
Workaholic. Mama di workaholic. Mama zukwa nike.
Condition me like crayfish. You know.
You can never change. You know, I've been trying to reach you, but there is no way to reach you. So I had to drive by.
Yeah.
Mama, I want to know, have you been hearing from your daughter, Chinyere?
Let me even tell you the first one. You know, after my husband's surgery, hey, he has been so weak, he hasn't been able to do any hard labor.
Okay.
So, what this my Akadara sustain nani? You got to go. And then the second one of my daughter, hey, Chinyere. Well, I hear from her, man, from time to time. Okay. What about you? Do you hear from her?
I do hear from her from time to time as well. And the last time we spoke, she told me that Papa had to sell the only piece of land just for her to travel.
That is what happened though. We tried to raise money from up, down, center, forward, on what about So we had no choice than to sell the only piece of land.
Yeah.
I know.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay.
Actually, I have not been in the country. Yes, I traveled abroad. I just came in 3 days ago.
No wonder. Because she said she looked for you now, Furogi. No, 3 days ago. Yes, you know how fresh she is. Hi, Johnson, opposite quiet. Georgia. Hey,
welcome. Yes, I have a project in this village, so I'll be coming in from time to time to check my project. Yeah, so I'll be seeing you often.
Oh, yes.
But Mama, before I leave, I have something for you.
You do? Hey,
hold on.
Jojo. Johnson. Hey. Johnson, Georgia. Johnson, Georgia.
This is for you. Yes, but please just manage this one. Manage it. Use it and take care of the family. Buy provision, bread, anything you want.
It's not manage. Since I started Akara business, my hand has never touched money like this. Profit. May God bless you. Thank you so much.
Amen.
It is sure you don't want to come in for
No, I'm fine. I have a project. Let me go and supervise that. So let me hit this week.
Okay,
I will see you some other time. Greet everybody for me.
I will.
All right.
Drive safe, oh.
Mama.
Safely. Johnson, Georgia. Johnson, Georgia. Johnson, Georgia. Johnson, Georgia.
Mama.
Good evening, sir.
What do you want to do? Do I ask you to sit down? Or like that for a chat?
Can't I sit down in my uncle's house again? Eh?
I hope you do not come here to ask me of money. Because I'm going to make go.
Hey.
I have no money.
What is going on now, Uncle? What's going on? Since my father died, you took everything that belonged to my father. You didn't give me anything. Even the plot of land that my father left for me, you also took it. Is it wrong for me to come now and ask you for that land?
Ugochukwu, what do you say?
You heard me. The piece of land that my father left for me, give it to me. I want it. That's why I'm here.
Okay, go and take it.
What are you saying?
Go and operate it. I need the land, the piece of land that my father left to me before he died. Go, Jawadiya.
Uncle, why are you sounding like this? Let's sit down, discuss, know how we are going to do it. So I'll get the land. Which one is this thing you are doing now?
Ugochukwu, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Oh.
You get the mind to walk into my compound and ask me of the land that I sold 3 years ago.
Excuse me?
Are you okay?
Excuse me? No, wait. Excuse me. It's not possible now. Was that the agreement?
Okay.
Sell what?
Okay.
Was that the agreement? You told me that my father took loan from you. And that was why you took the land. So the plan is, once I get the money, pay you back, I get my land. What do you mean you sold it?
And you take all the years before you come and pay me. In fact, I get problem and I use the money to do something.
How is it my business if you have a problem? Was that the agreement? No. Okay, now I know. Because before my father died, he was very, very sick. My father was very ill. He was dying. We kept on begging you to give us the land so that we can sell it and get money. You said no. That my father is owing you money. Fine, my father now died. We sat down, me, you, and some elders. The agreement was, once I go and find the money, 3 million naira, I give to you, I get back my land. So what are you saying? Give me my land, please.
Ugochukwu, the land have been already sold.
I get one problem. Me and you.
Okamma.
Me and you.
Okamma. Okay.
I get one problem. I'll forget that you are my uncle. Give me my land though. I don't know what you're talking about. You cannot sell my land.
I use the money to solve my problem.
How is it my issue now?
If I can't tell you the money.
What is my business if I can't tell you? Give me my land. That's what I get.
Okay, go and take it.
Ha.
All I am saying is that you should be very careful with that idiot so-called Edochie. You know, your father died fighting over the same land. And my candid advice to you is, let it go.
I should let it go. We don't even understand. My mother is dying. She's very sick. She's dying. I need money for her treatment.
But I thought you people said that the hospital will not find anything.
We've gone past that stage. They now know the problem. They need money. She's supposed to undergo very expensive surgery. That's why I need that land so I can sell it.
But there is a condition. If you must get that land back, try as much as you can to raise that money and pay off your father's debt before you can reclaim that land.
There's a problem, big problem.
I don't understand.
Uncle Ugezu has sold the land.
He did what?
Yes.
Mbanana. He cannot sell that land. Who told you this?
He said it. He said he sold the land over 3 years ago.
Over what?
Telling you.
What? Well, just go, I will talk to him. If eventually you sold the land, you must vomit it. Oh yeah, I knew I can see better.
Talk to him, Uncle.
Don't worry,
I'm going mad. Thank you, sir.
Ugezu, Stop.
What is the problem? You're supposed to be at the hospital with your mother. Where is Ugo? What is it? Why are you crying?
My mother is dead. My mother is...
No, it's not true. Your mother is dead. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. We are crying on the road now. Sorry.
But you know, we shouldn't have sold that land.
Wait. I told you to stop pushing it. That boy is too lazy. Imagine, I sold that land over 3 years ago. Ugochukwu did not even have any money to come and pay back.
That is not the point, my friend. I said that is not the point.
Okay, what is the point? What is the point? You are now supporting that small boy to insult me.
Ugezu, now listen. no matter how long it would have taken Ugo to raise that money, you should have kept that land. By the way, let me ask you, was Nnaji, your brother, actually owing you before he died? You see, you even lied to the spirit of the dead and lie against your brother in his death. Chai! Ugezu! Ibuaru! Ugezu! Ibuaru!
What did you just say?
Is it fair? Is it fair?
It's fair.
Remember, that boy's father built this house for you in his lifetime. And you lied against him and unjustly took his land.
Amade, are you okay? Simple.
Of course I will leave. But I'd rather not identify with a mother like you, Obumade, and heartless man of your type.
Amade! What did you just say? What you said?
You
Are you okay?
you can't do anything.
Amade, what you saying?
The course of our land indicate you.
Indicate you yourself, you too. Huh? Indicate you. And get out of an idiot.
Hey! Hey! Where's my land? Come here. Come here.
I'm worried.
Worried?
Yes.
Worrying yourself over issues like this is not healthy. Eh? You have to slow down before you have BPO. I've told you that Chinyere said she will call.
When? When?
When she has that time, she will call. Do you think that she's there dancing so trained? She's there to be useful for herself. They have programming and timing.
She has not called since over a month.
Do not worry.
I don't understand you. Your daughter has not called. You're not worried.
I'm full, Jebe. Coming back.
Why shouldn't I? You know how sister does things sometimes.
How can you even say such a thing? How can sister who works abroad send the money to go her boyfriend? You know that's not even possible.
You will say I told you. Shebi, you are one of the people who converts that their nonsense, that their foolishness to love, Abi.
If it's about their love, I support it wholeheartedly. And even the villagers know that what sister and Ugo share is something very strong.
What they share is foolishness.
Yes.
One of these days, it will shock all of you when you realize that Ugo never loved Sister Chinyere, but interested in what she gives him.
Charity. When are you ever going to pray a good prayer for sister?
When she opens her eyes to see the truth, that is when I will start praying for my sister.
Hello, Ugo. Where are you? I'm at the reception. Hello, I have been here for the past 30 minutes now. You say what? Okay, room 204. Okay, I'm coming. Okay.
Do you hear me? Ugo is a gold digger now.
Jesus Christ.
So you and sister have been sleeping with the same man?
Hey. Does sister know about this?
No, she doesn't know. She thinks that he goat genuinely loves her.
Then we have to tell her once she comes back.
You and who?
We, of course.
We are they.
Okay. You have to tell her when she gets back.
Why should I be the one to tell her? When the time comes, she will know the truth.
As a fellow wife now, a co-wife, a fellow girlfriend, you can... Please, don't insult me. What is this one? But because I'm telling you. Eh? Please, oh. I don't want to hurry.
How for your sister? Have you heard from her?
Nah, we do hear from her from time to time.
Oh.
And if I may ask, why do you ask?
I'm just curious. It's not a bad thing now. You know, it's been long she left.
Esin, it's been over 6 months my sister left. But we do hear from her, so it's not a big deal.
Before you know it now, she will just come back. And my guy, Michael, will start eating money. By then, he chef will anymore. Yeah? Remember me, or if not, think about the cookie you see.
Esin, my sister is not coming back now. She is not coming back to this village now.
Why?
She has to stay there first.
Why? You don't want to see her?
My sister needs to make plenty money, a lot of money before coming back to this village. Eh? No, she's not coming back now. She needs to come back with a lot of money.
So you're not missing your sister? You don't even want to see her at all?
Esin, why will I miss my sister? Is she my wife? Let her go and make money there before coming back. Not even say that again.
Michael, so what?
If we enemy of progress.
Because of your sister.
If we enemy of progress.
Eh?
Good evening. None. No. I'm fine. Thank God you guys came around. Don't worry, let me just pack this thing. Let's go inside, okay? Ebuka, let's go inside. Don't worry, I'm going to finish up this food right now. Let's just go inside. So, you people mean after I and brother go call him, you still don't want to let people come back home?
Yes, so...
So what happened? Why releasing you both now?
Because we resigned from the work.
What?
We resigned.
What? 6 years of serving him? Oh, you both don't have to do that. 6 years. He's supposed to settle you both next year, not now. Why? You don't have to. Honestly, you don't.
Yes, sir. Because he told us nobody would be running the 2 shops. Yes, sir, but we have to resign. But that man is very wicked, though. A man that did not allow us to pay our last respect to our money. It's better to stay out of work.
I know, but 6 years is much.
He even asked us never to show our faces to his shop again. Can you imagine?
This is not possible. Honestly, this can't be happening now.
Ami. Amaka.
Mama.
Come. Help me to clear the table.
How are you doing?
I'm better and good.
Are you sure? Because you scared the hell out of me, Mama. Especially when the doctor said they cannot find anything, they cannot see anything. Yet you are still very sick. Like I was so scared.
Don't worry. If I scare the hell out of you, I will then scare the heaven inside you. I am okay, I am fine. But my happiness will only be complete if Ebuka and Obi comes back before anything happens to me.
Honestly, Mama, I don't just know why their master don't want to release them. I don't know. Uga and I have tried everything possible to convince him. Well, he's still refusing. Me, I'm just... But wait, Mama. Did you just say before anything happens to you? Mama, please, don't even say it again, please. Don't say it. I don't like it at all, at all. Nothing is going to happen to you. Just allow me to take care of you and you'll be fine. Okay?
I know. I am fine.
Don't make me angry.
Don't worry. Nothing is going to happen to me. You're happy now?
I'm fine. Just allow me to take care of you.
Okay, go and keep those things inside.
Okay. Are you coming inside?
Later.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Mama. Mama, good morning. Mama, you're still sleeping. Wake up. Mama? 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 Why is your body so cold? Mama? Mama? No. Mama? 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 Mama, wake up. Mama, wake up. No. Mama, wake up. Wake up. Mama, wake up. Wake up. Mama! Wake up. Mama! Somebody! Mama! Oh! Mama! Oh! Brother, where are you? Brother, we are at the hospital right now. Where are you? No, you need to start coming to the hospital. Brother, please just forget about the money. Just start coming to the hospital. The doctor is demanding to see you. Brother, what are you talking about? Just come. If anything happens to Mama, brother, I will not forgive you. Just come to the hospital. You're telling me that you're looking for money. Okay. God, what is wrong with my brother? What is wrong with this man? They say Mama is at the point of death and you are here telling me that you are looking for money. Doctor, thank you. How is she?
Please, I'm not the doctor. And there is no cause for alarm yet. Your mother will be fine as soon as we commence proper treatment on her. So you guys should just rally around for the money. She'll be fine.
Thank you. Brother, good afternoon. Brother, where are you? Where are you? Brother, please, if you do not come here in the next 30 minutes, Mama will die. Brother, please, just come to the hospital first. Just come. We'll beg the doctor. We'll beg him, please. Just come first. Let's beg the doctor. Brother, please. Mama. So what are we going to do?
Can I jump? So I will not pay last repair to my mom again because I'm working.
But Ugo, who owns this car?
Hey!
But Ugo, who owns this car?
But Ugo, is this your car?
But the car looks new.
The car looks new. Is my car supposed to look old? Say, but the car looks new. Is my car supposed to look old? What is wrong with you? Asking too many questions. Is it that you don't recognize that something huge is about to happen in this our family? Don't you recognize it?
Something huge, brother. Are you insinuating that this car is yours?
Are you insinuating that the car is yours? Is it your own? What I'm talking about is something huge, something very, very big, huge. When it happens, people will know that God has remembered our family. See that your boss, I don't even know his name, I don't want to know his name. That one that said you people will not come back. You're not going back to him.
Good news. So how do you intend to do that?
Don't worry. I said don't worry. What I'm saying is that God has remembered our family. Just anytime you're praying, don't even ask him for anything. Just be saying thank you. God, I thank you. God, I thank you. Because God has remembered our family. What I intend to do, first thing I'll do is to build a very, very big supermarket in this village. The biggest in this village. You'll be handling that one. Then after that one, I'll now build the biggest shop, where you can buy all the building materials that you're looking for. You don't need to go to China, Tokyo, anywhere. Anything you want, as far as building is concerned, you get it from this village. That shop will be your own. Hair salon, you don't want salon. Big hair salon where you'll be doing washing and setting. That one is for you.
Now where are you going to get all the money from?
Don't worry. God has blessed our family. Just be happy. Just be happy. Anytime you are praying to God, don't even ask for anything. Just say thank you. Happy to the grace, God speaker. But say, God, I tap into the grace of your senior brother.
God, I tap into the grace of my senior brother.
Say it with all your heart.
I know this process.
My uncles, I greet you. Thank you. I called you for this meeting because I want to inform you that my siblings and I are ready to bury our mother. And not just that, we've gone some steps further. We have chosen a date for the burial. Yes, it will be on the 25th of this month. That's in about 3 weeks. 25th.
Ugo, I heard you very well. You say you call us to inform us, your uncles. You cannot bury your mother alone. We, your uncles, have vital role to play. We need to give our consent before choosing any date for the burial of your mother.
Yes, she was my mother, not your mother. You say you need consent. That's why I'm telling you now, so I can get the consent. You say you have vital role to play. Did I ask you to bring money? I have enough money to bury my mother, so what other role do you want to play? Come and sit down, eat, we give you drink, you go. What else? What are you telling me? You think I've forgotten how you people treated my siblings and I? You think I've forgotten? Let's not raise that one, Biko. I'll start getting angry.
Listen good. Your mother's funeral will only take place when we, your uncles, are ready for it.
Yes.
It's like you have money for it.
Yes, I have.
To do the burial.
I have money to do the burial. I have enough money. I didn't tell you to give me money. How can you tell me that I'll bury my mother when you are ready? Was she your mother? Did you see the car parked there? Did you see that big car?
Hire the car.
Go and hire your own. Hire your own now if it's easy. You know how much it costs to hire a car? Think I've forgotten? You think I've forgotten how you treated me? You sold the only plot of land that my father left for me without my consent. You sold it and you took the money. I kept on begging you. Did you know that a day like this will come? Huh? You think I've forgotten? Don't get me angry.
We are not here for land issue. We are here for how to bury your mother and nothing more.
Your mother.
I have given you people dates. If you like, when I bury my mother, go and exhume the corpse. I will bury her.
No, brother.
She's not your
in
mother.
This our community.
You see now.
Ugo, with hired car.
Is it your car? Go and hire your own now.
Ugo, now I can see you have good tail, eh?
I'll tell you, just come and sit down. I will feed you and give you drink. You go.
So you get any mama so?
Yes, I'll bury my mother.
You bury your mother?
Yes.
Single-handedly, yeah?
Yes, I'll bury my mother.
If
people don't want to come, don't come. What am I even wasting my time for? You think I don't know you people? How you treated us? Treated us like we are orphans. When our father died, you think I don't know? Why did I even go for this meeting?
Now you have grown tail. So you have the gut to challenge your uncle.
Go.
This you go, he's staying with the fire. If eventually bury more than our when did Ugo become this insulting and arrogant?
Imagine me, Amadi of all people in this community, being humiliated by a small boy.
Ichamani, I am surprised at you all. Yeah. I know that boy was a chameleon. Do you know what baffles me? Where did he get all the money he spent? Do you see the car he parked?
I saw it, yo. What business could he be doing to acquire that wealth just overnight?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
I come for news here, make you.
Yes. I'm beginning to suspect that boy as Onyoshi.
Suspect? I don't understand. Is there something I need to know?
Ichamani, read the handwriting on the wall. Adora's death. Adora just died like that. Okay.
You surprised me.
I suspected that Ugo used his mother for money ritual.
Money ritual, Ugo?
Bam.
Hey!
Ojita.
Awa abo no so no koli.
All depend on what you want idea. Chekolo, welcome. If I bro, if I change or change now. Amadi, open your eyes. Which kind of work in this village will fetch Ugo such wealth in less than a year?
You are right, yo. I think I agree with you.
Oh.
Would this boy have the mind to do such kind of thing to his biological mother?
Yeah? You don't know boys of nowadays. They can do anything for them to make it. Even Yahoo.
Let me advise you. Beware of your sons. So you know you have plenty sons, so that they cannot use you where one or go. I'm advising you.
You're advising me.
I'm advising you.
Okay, but you get a daughter and sons. Because if I'm going
I'm just saying to advise you to be careful with those your stupid children.
Advising them
Okay, okay, be careful with your sons.
All right, now that mother's burial has been done, it's time to discuss your future.
Before we declare our intentions, I will specifically say a very big thank you for putting things in place and giving our mother a befitting burial.
Yes, the burial was massive. But how did you do all that?
Well,
I mean, everything was surplus.
Yes, sir. I was able to achieve it by the grace of God. Believe me, God is the only one I have. He helped me. Before the burial, people were already saying a lot of rubbish. They were waiting for us to fail. So I said I must make sure that we do not fail. So I decided to do the burial in a very big way.
So a huge burial.
It was huge. not just huge, it was huge. Massive. Well, that's been done. We move forward. Moving forward. I remember I made a promise to you and Ebuka that I'll open 2 very big shops for you. So the 2 shops are ready now. Big supermarkets for Ebuka here. And then your own shop is ready. Building materials, very big. I'll give you the key. And then Amaka, your salon, hairdressing salon, beauty salon. You're selling all sorts of wigs. This is what you call, is it wig? What do you call it? 21 inches. Human hair. Brazilian hair. You'll be selling all those things. The shop is ready. But it's not by force. You have the choice to say no. Okay? I'm not forcing those businesses on you. If you decide you don't like the businesses, fine. I'll hand them over to someone else. And any other thing you decide to do, I'll still give you money for that. Okay?
Me, I'm very interested in my own.
Me, I'll go with the beauty salon. This has always been my dream. And I'll go with that. It's just that I don't really have money to start then.
Now you have it.
Ebuka, everyone has had one or the other things to say.
So,
You haven't said anything.
must everybody speak?
Yes. In a family meeting and everybody ought to speak.
I don't see how compulsory that is. Do not force words out of my mouth.
Ebuka,
What is it?
what is wrong with you?
Everything.
What are you talking about?
Amaka, I'll take care of it. Ebuka, what's wrong? Are you okay?
I'm very fine.
So what's the problem now? You've been here, you're not saying anything.
Nothing.
But you've been here, you've been in this meeting, you're acting like you're not part of the meeting.
How? I've been part of this meeting since we started. I sat here all through this meeting. So what exactly do you people want me to say?
Sitting here all through the meeting and you're not saying anything. Come on, go and sit down. Just like you're absent.
Why are you calling
I just been asking you what's going on. Because ever since Mama died, you have been so upset with everybody. Or don't you want Mama to be giving her last respect?
Ubi, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Ubi, I thought both of us had the same mind. Given the fact that both of us have stayed together, eat together, do everything together, all of a sudden you became blind and unreasonable. Are you insane? Have you lost your sense of decency? Are you?
Ebuka, what has this got to do with you and I having the same mind? Bro, the guy opened the shop for me and Auntie Amaka. He even opened for you and you turned it down without any reason.
Any reason you say?
Yes.
Is that what you call it? Any
If not,
reason?
what is your reason? Wait.
Obi, Mama died in her sleep, mysteriously. That is unlikely. All of a sudden, Brother Ugo became rich, buying cars, mega buildings everywhere. Just yesterday, he bought another car. This is the same person that doesn't have a single job he is doing. Obi, are you blind? Can't you see the handwriting written on the wall that his hands are not clean? Can't you?
You are jealous. Yes! Because what are you even trying to say?
You this foolish boy. Exactly what your mind is telling you. Second ritualist.
Wait, are you trying to say Brother Ugo is responsible for Mama's death?
You're a very stupid boy. Bonyala. I don't have time for these your cheap talks. But later, when for knock, we'll know the truth.
Hey, I couldn't want that. Do me no. He may go more. No, oh, maybe go more. Oh, okay, because you looking worried. Oh, Guinea, would you like to share?
Mama, I'm worried.
Worried about what?
Mama, Ugo is driving a car. And he spends money at will these days. What is happening?
I don't care about what is happening. What has that got to do with me? I'm not bothered whether Ugo drives a car or what. It's none of my business. Onajo.
Mama, you are not bothered.
I am not bothered because Ugo is not yet my son-in-law. So whatever he does is none of my business.
Mama, that is not the point.
What is the point?
That is not the point. Mama, why can't everybody think outside the box like me?
So, what is outside the box that you've been thinking of?
Mama, what if it's Sister Chinyere's money that lazy man is spending?
Sister, okay? Wait. My own daughter Chinyere.
Yes, of course, Mama.
Wait. Biko. This is not possible. There is no way a tigress can beget a kitten. Or not possible. Not my own daughter. Give in a
Mama, it could be possible.
Just don't utter one more word. Do you understand what I'll show them cause any kind of trouble, Tata. Do you understand what I'm saying? I have never had BP and I will not start now. Biko, ejim chukwa yoy. Osuno gini.
But I have said
I don't want to hear what you have to say. See, look, you can see my Thank you, which man will be looking at this face in there? Even that small boy that has been following you up and down. If you course you're following, or they follow you with assurance. Nonsense. Yeah.
Obi, I'm very hungry and I don't have any money here with me. Are you not hungry? Why are you looking at me? Are you not hungry?
Why are you asking me? When you brought me out of the shop that I've been working in it now. After let's go. Come in now today.
Your elder brother.
I beg you.
Obi, what are you doing here? Obi, I stopped by the shop. I noticed you've not opened for a while now.
Very correct.
What happened?
He hasn't opened his shop for a while now.
Am I asking you? I'm asking Obi. Obi, what happened?
I'm returning the keys.
Why?
Why are you pointing at me?
Lightning. I'm up on my door. Lightning,
what happened?
Ask him, Mama Obi. My name is Ebuka. You're asking me. Obi, go to school. Answer your question.
Why? Is it because I want to return the keys?
What are you talking about? Huh? What do you mean you want to return? Return which key? What are you? Did you smoke? Huh? Are you drunk? Right in front of our house here, I asked you if you're okay with the line of business that I spent money on. Huh? I told you, are you okay with this business? If you're not okay, tell me. I'll hand over the business to another person. You told me you like the business. So what are you returning the key for? What is wrong with the type of business or line of business I opened for you? Or Guinea?
Brother Biko, this has nothing to do with the business type. It has nothing to do with it at all.
Shut up. I wasn't talking to you. Shut up.
But I haven't said anything wrong.
My friend, I said shut up.
But I haven't said anything wrong.
Shut up and keep quiet.
Dare ask me to shut up again. Don't!
When we wanted you to talk, you never did. So why talking now?
Ebuka, are you talking to me? Your other brother. Let me hear your voice again. Let me talk one more time and you talk. I'll break. Are you crazy? Okay, one more word from you. If I talk again and you talk back at me, this chair I will scatter it on your head. Are you mad? I'm gonna get the same day. Will you shut up, my friend? I'm your elder brother. You know, Yala. I'm talking, you are talking. What, you don't know respect? Give me my key. Give me my key, my friend. Give me. Don't go close to that shop again. Can you hear me? Do not. Let me not see you anywhere close to that shop again.
But
Or get it.
You don't stop talking.
Ebuka, Obi, I want to ask you one simple
stupid question you want to ask me? Talk.
Where is all the money you're spending from? Where is it coming from? Kebo Sabia. You see what I've been telling you? He couldn't even answer a simple question. How then does he want me to trust and believe that his hands are clean? How?
Hey, Ebuka, I don't trust you. I don't believe that all these things are true now.
Excuse you?
Yes, because you know it will surely backfire.
How?
Especially now that Amaka is not on our side.
Let's leave Amaka out of this. Let's just give her some time. Very soon, she too will come and she will find out the truth. I know that she's upset with the beauty salon for now. Just relax yourself.
Hey, Ebuka, I will keep telling you this. Yeah, will surely backfire. Come you.
Obi, why do you keep saying this? Why do you keep saying this backfire? Backfire for what? How?
Yes, it will surely backfire. Because how will we survive when we don't have work? The one that we are supposed to have now. You brought me out of it.
It's better to stay out of job than to soil your hand on a job that is rooted with blood money. It is better to stay out of it. What is it?
See, Ebuka, let me tell you now. You go now. All these things now that you are saying, and last, it turns out to be a lie.
See, Obi, even if it turns out that Ugo didn't kill Mama, one thing still remains sure. One. The money he's spending is certainly not his. It's not his money.
You do
check on. I can see you're supporting him. You're eating blood money, Akwe.
Uncle Ugo, it's me, Michael, Chinyere's brother.
You're Chinyere's brother, and so does this place look like a family business? Huh?
Sorry, sir. My name is Michael.
You said that like 1,000 times. What do you want?
I'm sorry, sir. I was passing, so I saw the supermarket. I decided to check if there's any vacancy for me to work.
Have you worked in a supermarket before?
No, sir, but I can try.
All right, good. You have a job, huh?
Hey, thank you, Uncle Luke. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Sorry, sir.
Don't call me that again. Can you hear me? If you call me that one more time, you're fired. You lose the job that you don't even have.
Sorry, sir.
You start tomorrow morning. Go.
Thank you, sir.
Come. This money is not come. Anything that has to do with money, you don't play with me. Or if you see a side of me you've never seen, come, look well. Calculate this thing. Huh? From where? I'm asking you now.
Sir, my mother have not had any medication since the last one we bought finished.
You're a very stupid boy. Get up, man. Get up. You're a very stupid boy. For the past 6 months, we've not been making money. Are you aware? You know? For the past... Oh, you know. So where am I supposed to get money from? If your mother is sick or when your mother is dying, how does it concern me? My friend, go in there and go and walk. Go and walk, my friend. Tell your mother that we have all the space for cleaner. She can come and do cleaner and make some money to take care of herself. Hey! What's wrong with
You said you want to finally come and meet me here.
I'm sorry for not coming all this while.
It's okay. Now that you're here, it's fine.
Do
you want anything?
Of course, I'm hungry. Come and take me to somewhere good.
While I'm here? Hey, you're going to eat now. Anything you want is you eat.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You are an idiot. You are an idiot. Do you know? Sorry. You're a very stupid boy. Accept it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I just got a distress call right now that my mother has been rushed to the hospital. Can I go and see her?
You are fired. So you can now go and take care of your mother. Perpetually. You are fired. Go. Go. I said go. Of all the times to burden on me is now. Get out, my friend. You are fired. Go.
I'm sorry, sir.
Go. Go now, this boy. You are fired. Go and take care of your mother.
Please, sir.
Waka.
My salary, sir.
Wait.